Good morning students, my name is Sudhakar Achari. I am teaching the chemistry subject. Then let us come to the class. So in chemistry subject total 13 chapters are there. These 13 chapters it divided to two tracks. So in track 1 some chapters, track 2 some other chapters are there. Okay now. So first I will explain that 13 chapters. Let's see what are the chapters. The first one chapter is some basic concepts of chemistry. Some basic concepts of chemistry. So that is the first one chapter. Second one is atomic structure. Third one is periodic classification. Fourth one is chemical bonding. Fifth one is states of matter. States of matter. Next, sixth one is redox reactions. Redox reactions. Seventh one is thermodynamics. Then eighth one is ionic equilibrium. Next, ninth one is hydrogen and its compound. Hydrogen and its compounds. Next, 10th one is S block elements. S block elements. Then 11th one is P block elements. P block elements. S block elements and the P block elements. Next, 11th one, 12th one is environmental chemistry. Next, 13th one is some basic principles and techniques of organic chemistry. Some basic principles and techniques of organic chemistry. Last one is hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons. Total 14 chapters, but actually these two are organic chemistry. Okay, this organic chemistry divided into two parts, 13 and 14, but actually these are belonging to same one chapters. Okay, so this is the total chapters involved in the chemistry subject. So in this out of 14 chapters, in my track is atomic structure, periodic classification, chemical bond. The next one is environmental chemistry, some basic principles and techniques of organic compound, organic chemistry, and hydrocarbons. So these 6 chapters are in my track. Remaining chapters, so another one more, other chemistry one faculty there, Pratap sir. He is academic coordinator in our campus. So this is the remaining chapters are SAR track. These 6 chapters are myself. So this is the chapters in the first year, first PU chemistry subject. Then next one is what are the elements, their atomic numbers and their atomic mass of the first 30 elements I will explain. Then next one is First of all, what is the element? See here. Element means the basic form of the matter that can be break down into two simpler substances. Element is a basic form of the matter that can be break down into simpler substance by the chemical reaction. That is called element. So once again, what is element? Element is a basic form of the matter that can be break down into simpler substance by the chemical reaction. That is called element. This type of the elements nowadays 118 elements are present in our nature. 118 elements. Out of this 118 elements, I will explain now. First 13 elements, their atomic number and atomic masses. Okay, one by one see that 13. First 30 elements. First one element is hydrogen. Its symbol is 1. Sorry, symbol is H. Atomic number is 1. Okay, mass number also 1. This is the atomic number. This is mass number. This is the element. This is symbol. And the second one element is helium. Helium. Symbol is He. He. Atomic number 2. Mass number is 4. Third one is lithium. Atomic number is lithium. Symbol is Li. Lithium. Atomic number is 3. Mass number is 7. Next, fourth one is beryllium. Beryllium. Okay. B-E-R-Y-L-U-M. Beryllium. Beryllium symbol is B. Atomic number 4. Mass number is 9. Fifth one is barium. Barium. Sorry. Boron. Fifth one is boron. Boron. Symbol is B. Atomic number 5. Mass number is 11. Then sixth one is carbon element. Sixth one element is carbon. Symbol is C. Atomic number 6. Mass number is 12. Next, seventh one, nitrogen. Symbol is N. Atomic number is 7. Mass number is 14. Next, eighth one is oxygen. Oxygen. Symbol is O. Atomic number is 8. Mass number is 16. Next, ninth one is fluorine. Fluorine. Atomic number is symbol is fluorine F. Atomic number is 9. Mass number is 19. Last 10th one is neon. Atomic symbol is Ne. Number is atomic number 10. Mass number is 20. So this is first 10 elements. Then next 10 elements are explained. See here, atomic number is nothing but serial number. You have to remember. Present to atomic number means that is equal to serial number. But what is the atomic number definition is later I will explain. Okay, present to remember atomic number equal to serial number. You remember that point present to. Later I will explain what is atomic number, what is atomic mass. I will explain definitions. Next one is the 11th one elements. Sodium. Sodium. So its symbol is Na. Atomic number is 11. Mass number is 23. So here you will get one doubt. Sodium is it will start with SO, but here symbol is Na. There is no similarities between the symbol and also name. Because of here sodium is the Latin name is the natrium. So from that natrium words they are taken the symbol. Okay. So sodium Latin name is natrium. So based on that name they are taking the symbol natrium Na. atomic number is 11, mass number is 23. Next one is the 12th one, magnesium. Atomic number is symbol is Mg. Atomic number is 12, mass number is 24. 13th one, aluminium. 13th one is aluminium. Symbol is Al. Atomic number 13, mass number is 27. 14, silicon. Symbol Si. Atomic number 14, mass number 28. Next 15, phosphorus. Symbol is P. Atomic number 15, mass number 31. Okay. Next 16th element, sulfur. Symbol S. Atomic number 16, mass number 62. The next 17, chlorine. Symbol Cl. Okay, atomic number is 17, mass number 35.5. Next one is 18, argon. Symbol is Ar. Atomic number 18, mass number is 40. Next 19, potassium. Symbol is K. So here also potassium, here K is a, this is taken from the Latin name of the potassium. Potassium Latin name is kalium. So from that word they are taken the symbol kalium K. Atomic number is 19, mass number is 39. Next 20, calcium. Symbol Ca. Okay, atomic number is 20, mass number is 40. So these are the first. Next 10 elements. The next one is atomic number is next element is 21th element. 21 element is scandium. Its symbol is Sc. Scandium. Atomic number is 21, mass number is 45. Okay. 22, titanium. Atomic number is titanium. Symbol is Ti. Atomic number is 22, mass number is 48. Next element is vanadium. Symbol is V. Atomic number 23, mass number is 51. Next chromium. Next element is chromium. Symbol is Cr. Chromium symbol is Cr. Capital C, small r. Okay. So atomic number 24, mass number is 52. Next 25 element, manganese. Symbol is Mn. Capital M, small n symbol. Number is 25, atomic number. Mass number is 55. Okay. Next 26th element, iron. Symbol is Fe, because of it is also taken from the Latin name. So the Latin name of the iron is ferrum. From that word ferrum, they are taken symbol Fe. Number is 26. weight is or atomic mass is 56. Next 27, cobalt. So your symbol is CO. Number 27, mass number is 59. Here you remember one point. Cobalt symbol CO, carbon monoxide symbol CO. What is the difference? In carbon monoxide both are capital letters, capital C, capital O. That is carbon monoxide. Cobalt symbol is capital C, small o. Okay, so you have to remember that difference. Cobalt means capital C, small o. Carbon monoxide means capital C, capital O. That is the difference. Okay. Next 28th element, nickel. Symbol is Ni. Atomic number 28. Mass number is 59. Same. Both are same atomic weight. Next 29. Copper. Okay. Symbol is Cu. Here also same. The symbol of the copper is taken from the Latin name of copper, cuprum. Okay, Latin name of the copper is cuprum. From that cuprum they are taken the symbol Cu. Number 29, mass number is 63.5. 63.5. That is the copper atomic weight. Next, last one is zinc. 13th element is zinc. Zn symbol. Atomic number 30. Mass number is 65. So these are the 30 elements. So what is the element means? Element is a basic form of the matter that can be broken down into simpler substance by the chemical reaction. This type of the elements nowadays 118 elements present in the nature. Out of that 118, now we discuss the 30 elements. Their symbols, atomic number and atomic weight. So today, first, next tomorrow class, today I have to prepare this 30 elements. Tomorrow class I will ask once again this atomic numbers and atomic weights. Okay, thank you. Remaining concepts next class I will explain.